My name is Jason Henderson. I'm the president of Best Air Conditioning Plumbing Repair in Las Vegas, Nevada. I had been in the industry for about 20 years as a technician, air conditioning technician. My wife and I decided that we should start our own business. She was in the industry for about 10 years, doing customer service and office management and things like that. And I had gone through just about every position in the industry, from a duct cleaner to a maintenance technician to a service technician, and then through management. And we just decided, it was the right time. After 20 years of working in the industry, we felt that we were ready to start our own business. So the name Best was born.
My responsibilities include everything from managing our Cool Club memberships. So I want to ensure that all of our membership customers have, any information that they need in the system in any way that it possibly can.
So I'm responsible for all of the training, all of the tracking, and all of the customer relations that happen on the front end of all of the transactions and visits that we have with our customers.
My name is Krista Rodriguez. I am a dispatcher here at Best Air Conditioning Plumbing Repair.
Here at Best, we provide anything that involves your air conditioning, heating, or plumbing systems. Simple repairs, more advanced repairs, replacing air ducts, some of the things that aren't quite thought about as often.
HVAC service technician. Basically, I respond to air conditioning, heating, no cools, no heats, and perform maintenance on equipment.
I started with Best right when we started, so I was actually the first employee here. And my daily tasks are helping the technicians coordinate installs, scheduling installs, ordering equipment, as well as taking care of any payments that need to be made for the company.
I go inside of people's homes and address their everyday concerns with their overall comfort, be it not having a working air conditioner or heating system, along with just improving the indoor air quality of the house.
What makes us different from other companies is our company actually cares. We look out for not only our customers, but for our employees as well.
Having air conditioning or plumbing repairs done is a really stressful time for homeowners. And so we try to make that process as easy as possible, make sure we're keeping floors clean, keeping the home safe, making sure everything's better than it was when we got there, and making sure that homeowners are always satisfied.
If there was one thing that I could tell you about why you should use our services, it would be that we truly have a team that cares about you, that cares about this industry, and they take a lot of pride in the work that they do. And I know that a lot of other companies might say that, but I personally see them live it every single day. And I know for a fact that if you communicate with anybody in our office, any one of our team members, you're just going to be amazed.
One major process that differentiates us from the competition is we use a platform called Service Titan, which is a digital platform that allows us to do invoicing, but allows us to do forms to show you exactly how your checkup went. We take pictures of all of your readings, all of the data tags, so you can see real time everything that we're saying is happening is actually happening. There's proof right there.
We take a lot of pride in customer service, so we do try and make sure our customers get taken care of as a priority, try and get our technicians sent out to them, which would differ from a lot of other companies, because sometimes, with the industry can get extremely frustrating.
The culture here, it's focused on hard work, but it's also focused on enjoying what you do, enjoying working with your team. Really, even though we're still continuing to grow, it still feels like a very close-knit team, and no matter how many employees we're adding, it really does maintain that feel. It's almost like working with family. It's that close-knit.
A lot of us have worked together for a long time, and all of the new people we get along with really well. They fit in perfectly. Me personally, I hang out with not only the office girls, but some of the guys as well.
I think I fit into the culture extremely well, because it's something that is fundamental to me, and just how I approach every day and where I choose to work. At the end of the day, you spend so much time at work, you want to make sure that, that you feel appreciated and that you continue to grow.
Many other companies that I've seen in the past have like their little cliques or little groups of, so-and-so hangs out with so-and-so and so-and-so, or this person doesn't talk to that person. We don't really have that here.
The company here is completely different. We use a chat service called Telegram, and we have groups going where we're constantly laughing, having fun, celebrating wins. And I consider a lot of the technicians and a lot of the employees here personal friends.
Everybody gets along great. It's almost like, you know, being back in school. You know, you get to hang out with your friends in the morning.
Our core values are an acronym for PRIDE.
Progressive.
Respect.
Integrity.
Dependable and excellence.
For me, I think progressive is probably the one that stands out the most. It's easy to kind of, I don't know, take our community for granted and take what we do for granted, but it's really important to make sure we're always looking to be better, provide a better service, and take better care of our team and of our homeowners.
If you were to come work here, you would find that there is a team of, I don't know, new friends that are going to be there to back you up.
It's important to hire the right people, you know, and I understand at the end of the day, I am a consumer, I am a homeowner, and I've been in those shoes where I have to make that sort of decision. And so I understand how important it is to hire the right people.
The company is a great place to work for. They not only have good benefits, good competitive pay, it's good people. You want to work for good people. You want to wake up knowing that you're going to go work at a good place. I think that's, at least for me, that's important.
Our mission statement used to be the best and most consistent customer experience, but we took the customer part out of it because if our employees aren't happy, our customers aren't happy. So we took that out of it so that encompasses everyone in the company and everyone we're doing business with.